1990 here, and Dominaria just dropped hot. Like it just dropped hot, like a big dump after taking a box of X-Lax. Oh yeah, let's get this butt gravy going.
Looking where I went and then looking at each other like, what are they going to do? Because she knows what a dime bag is.
Hit.
And my friend going, oh
Hey,
my God,
sorry guys.
what is Stacy's word?
There we go. Let's see, we got the sexy awesome box. Player's guide. It's going in the binder. Yeah, security event thing. I got the receipt. Good. And ooh, and it's official. We have ourselves a Black 20D Dominaria. Nice. Okay, let's get the show on the road. IW Relic Runner. Crows and Druid. Cabal Evangel. Primordial Worm. Navigator's Compass. Treasure Sphinx. Fire Intervention. Blood Tallow Candle. Icy Manipulator. Gaia's Blessing. Karn's Temporal Sundering. Ooh. Tatiova, Benthic, Druid, and Foil. Sexy. Oh my gosh. Tiana Ship's Caretaker. Wow. Holy shit, Batman. Okay, got 9 more packs to go. Sarah Disciple. Talarian Scholar. Radiant Lightning. Adamant Will. Lenamore Scout. Cabal Paladin. Adventurous Impulse. Tragic Poet. Academy Journey Mage. Bailoff Gorger. Fight with Fire. Weight of Memory. Orcish Vandal. Oh wow! They're a Dawnbringer. Oh, oh my god, it's a beauty. Yes, I just borrowed from Ownage Franks. You want to fight over it? Oh wow. They're a Dawnbringer has joined my ranks. Skirt Prospector. The Avant Trapper. Coldwater Snapper. Fervent Strike. Arbor Armament. Windgrate's Acolyte. Oh, that's boss. Pierce the Sky. Guardians of Koilos. Fungal Infection. Pegasus Courser. Triumph of Gerard. Juggernaut. Solid Soothsayer. Ooh, Toolgar. Famine Incarnate. Oh, that's just so boss. Round 4. Fight. Okay, Artificer's Assistant. Keldon Warcaller. Healing Grace. Deep Freeze. Pharaoh Abomination. Oh, that's boss. Leonard War Envoy. Rat Colony. Ooh, Blessed Light. Keldon Overseer. Dauntless Bodyguard. Gior's Familiar. Verdict Force. Fall of the Thran. Oh, and foil. Ooh, Urgoros the Empty One. Oh, yeah. This token. Oh, it's a demon token. That's cool. And damn Cabal kids. Messing up all the good black men are down in Urbog. Swear. Back in my day. Frenzied Rage. Benalish Honor Guard. Syncopate. E2 Chronicler. Another Windgrace Acolyte. Arbor Armament again. Dart Bargain. Fungal Infection. Tragic Poet. Yavimaya Sapherd. The Eldest Reborn. Okay, that's boss. Sage of Latinam. Goblin Barrage. T-Shar Ancestors Apostle. Wow. And 4 more to go of these bad boys. Oh shit. Okay, good news. I just that vent card in the back is just a token. We're good. Okay. Charge. Arcane Flight. Warlord's Fury. Ooh, Calico Skin Witch. Oh man, I've been wanting one of those. Gaia's Protector. Come on, Fallen Phyrexian, turn Elemental. That's just boss. Navigator's Compass gives hope for Mirrodin. If Gaia is one of those, you have a hand in Karn in that way. Cloud Ridger Sphinx. Fire Intervention. Blood Tallow Candle. Demonic Vigor. Sentinel the Pearl Trident. Untamed Kavu. Thorn Elemental. Oh, dude, yes! Morrowind the Nurturer. Oh, the baby elf. Oh. Got that baby. Okay. Pack number 7. Opt. Ski2 Journey Mage. Excavation Element. Cool. That's what I want to order one of those. Soul Savage. Mammoth Spider. Unwind. Voltaic Servant. Run 'em out. Gideon's. Oh, yeah. Gideon's Reproach. Thawed Omnivore. Dauntless Bodyguard. Sanctum Spirit. Haphazard Bombardment. Whispered Blood Liturgist. Yes. 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 That's his pure boss. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. I totally just ripped off a memory hole. You want to fight over it? The Avant Trapper. Cold Water Snapper. Fervent Strike. Sergeant at Arms. Frozen Druid. Rat Colony again. Ooh. Aether Glider. Rampaging Cyclops. Sweet. Rescue. Blessed Light. Skizzik. Song of Freylace. Settle the Score. Ah, dude, that's cool. Squee the Immortal. Yes! Go Squee. Go Squee. It's your birthday again. You're the canny of magic. Oh my god, they killed Squee! You bastards! Dub. Telarian Scholar. Frenzied Rage. Healing Grace. Gaia's Protector. Calga Skinwitch. Vicious Offering. Short Sword. Pegasus Courser. Blessed Light. Memorial to Folly. Thorn Elemental. The Mending of Dominaria. Oh, wow. Slime put the stowaway. Ha. And one more pack to go. What will it be? Last but certainly not least, let's see what we pull out of this. I doubt if we get a Planeswalker, it'd be cool, but honestly, yeah, nah. Q2 Chronicler, Benalish on a Guard, another Protector, another one of those. Blink of an Eye, Deathbloom Todd, Blood Telecandle again. Ancient Animus, the Eldest of. Okay. Zalfrin Void, Guardian of Keolodes. Oh! Oh, holy hell. Derek's Blade one. Nice. Well, it's official. I pulled some pretty boss stuff. I'll probably do it. Well, I'm going to eat right fast, and I'll probably get to opening a Yu-Gi-Oh deck later on. Peace, guys.